Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are staying fit and healthy. In our previous classes, we have done reading of 3-letter words ending with AT sound. And today we will learn a new sound. Today we will do reading of AG sound words. AG sound. The pronunciation of this 2-letter is ag. Egg. Egg sound. R A G. Rag. R A G. Rag. S A G. Sag. S A G. Sag. Tag. T A G. Tag. T A G. Tag. Wag. W A G. Wag. W A G. Wag. Egg. Bag. Egg. Bag. B A G. Bag. B A G. Bag. Tag. T egg. Tag. T egg. Tag. This is tag. T A G. Tag. T A G. Tag. Wag. Egg. Wag. Egg. Wag. W A G. Wag. W A G. Wag. This is wag. Rag. R egg. Rag. R egg. Rag. R A G. Rag. R A G. Rag. Let's revise egg sound word. First word is bag. Then tag. Then the third word is wag. Then we have rag. Once again, speak with me. Bag, tag, wag, rag. B A G bag, T A G tag, W A G wag, R A G rag. Children, today we have done reading of 3-letter words ending with egg sound. I hope all words are clear to you. Children, promise me that you will do regular practice and reading. That's all for today. Thank you.